so next day we woke up early with the positive feeling क्योंकि Patnatop का ride I did it very nicely
and we
tactfully.
reached Sonmarg then,
Yes.
and we were supposed to cross Zozila Pass, which is very difficult if it rains. तो हम लोग को वही डर था कि बारिश नहीं होनी चाहिए because it is very muddy and very dusty. So we started with the hope that we will not get much traffic in Zozila Pass and we will reach till Kargil.
Yes, और उस दिन when we woke up it was bit cloudy, so we were actually tensed कि बारिश अगर हो गई तो problem हो जाएगी. So yes, we packed up and we left from we left for Zozila from Sonmarg, and we stopped for a breakfast. अभी एक tent
before breakfast we filled some petrol.
Yeah.
So that we don't have to worry about petrol and all. So
just to be on safer side.
Yes. So and just after filling the petrol, we went till we crossed one turn or ghat or something like that, and we found some good tents besides roadside, and we thought to have a breakfast because we started from Sonmarg around 6:30 or 7 o'clock, I guess.
Yeah.
So 6:30-7 बजे के आसपास हम लोग बहुत जल्दी उठ के हम लोग निकल गए.
Because एक और reason ये था, we did not want traffic because ऐसा सुना था कि Zozila is we can face lot of traffic in Zozila, so we left early just to avoid traffic congestion over there. So everybody in tent they wished us luck. मैंने वो बंदे से पूछा कि how is Zozila का road? So he was like कि थोड़ी पतली सी तो road है, थोड़ी danger भी दिखती है, cliff है. मतलब इतना डराने के बाद then he told कि but कोई डरने की बात नहीं है.
हो जाएगा, बहुत लोग जाते हैं.
I felt so good, means after saying all the facts, he gave me a positive rush that हाँ यार, मतलब you can do it, everybody does it, everybody goes it, of course you can do it. So we had our breakfast and क्योंकि हम लोग को Dimox खाना था, we had our breakfast, one of the yummiest breakfast with that with egg and the bread on the top. Yes,
egg on the bread ऐसा.
Patties का.
ऐसा एग उस पे डाला हुआ था और फिर तो वो खा के हम लोग ने एक डायमॉक्स खाया, दोनों ने पानी पिया, and we again refilled our water bottles because we did not wanted to have empty bottles with us, and we started our ride towards Zozila. So before hitting the Zozila there was good tarmac road and we were enjoying the ride.
You guys might be wondering why I'm laughing. Okay, I'm laughing because we just rode for 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, we were about to hit Zozila. I asked Sachin to stop because I got a nature's call. Okay, and see now, frankly, of course it's not good to to have a roadside or go to the roadside places, because see, everybody, at least the women riders who ride, they know that normally we don't get bathrooms, we don't get clean bathrooms, or we don't get bathrooms or restrooms anywhere on roads, and especially if you go to Ladakh, the mountains, you have to stay in tent. So don't expect that you will be getting a good washrooms or restrooms for all of your stuff. Right? So what happened? I asked Sachin to stop roadside, of course, and yes, अभी ठंडी है इतनी, ऊपर से टेंशन है इतना, ऊपर से फर्स्ट पास है तो और we were drinking lot of waters to make to keep the oxygen level proper in our body. So बार-बार सुसु जाना हो.
So after 3-4 susu breaks, we again started our ride, and that time I told Kiran that enough of this. Let's drink small amount of water now and आगे चलते हैं क्योंकि बहुत लंबा रास्ता है. Then we started and suddenly I kept my GoPro on, and suddenly वो क्या बोलते हैं, टार वाला रोड disappear हो गया,
and there was a steep incline, ऊपर जाने का ऐसा steep incline हुआ, and then that was the time when we understood that yes Zozila has been started, because Zozila का board नहीं था.
We missed seeing the board, और board पे पूरा धूल
या बर्फ ऐसा.
We missed seeing that board. Otherwise वहाँ पे रुक के 2-3 फोटो खींच लेते हैं. and we started the ride, and then the road became very narrow, and she was riding behind me again, and I used to regularly see it in the rear view mirror. अगर है नहीं है मुझे तो पता नहीं, बहुत टेंशन था, पीछे थोड़ी भी नहीं रहती थी तो मैं रुक जाता था, भाई किधर गिर तो नहीं है।
जब भी whenever there was a steep जब steep incline आया, both my legs were out because of the confidence, because you know Avenger posture is such that the handle is too much ahead, and when you have to turn it you feel that you are going to fall, so आपकी पैर automatically comes out, right? But that doesn't happen when you are riding I think sports
normal
bike, a normal
or,
bike, Pulsar या फिर because we saw a lot of Pulsar people over there,
because in cruiser bikes your feet are ahead.
Yes.
Okay, and in normal bikes, standard bikes or sporty or naked bikes, it's little bit rear foot.
गाड़ी पे ना उतना बैलेंस रहता है या
You are in
उतना
control with the bike.
रहता है, exactly.
Yeah, so वो हुआ, and then कोई भी truck आता था तो she used to get scared and she used to get.
Because you know when I was riding, okay, in Zozila, there was this, वो पूरा clearly ऐसे खाई दिख रहा था नीचे. It was like very deep. Something was very dangerous in Zozila. It looked so dangerous. Literally, even the pics or videos, if you see, it looks so dangerous. And it is dangerous. It is dangerous. Let us. We are not making you scared or anything like that. But yes, Zozila is a scary, path to cross. I wasn't riding in extreme left because of that cliff. I have a phobia of height. I cannot watch that. Otherwise, I would have vomited or I would have actually gone inside that. So I was actually riding beach road ke beachon beach. I was riding just on the middle of the road, and if any, of course, there are trucks which is coming by and all those things. So, जब trucks आती थी, so I used to see them and I used to stop just in middle of the road, and then they used to say यार जाओ बाहर जाओ side में जाओ. Then वो डर के I used to go at the side, and even one truck he pushed me a bit on my saddlebag and all those things happened.
Yes, and then we after riding for 10-15 kilometers, we thought to wait at some point from where we can click some pictures, and there were so many bhed और बकरी बहुत सारी थी रास्ते पे.
Yeah.
So what happened? We stopped, and after some times she again wanted to drink water. तो पानी पिलाया वापस, and then again we started our ride. 2 मिनट रुकते हैं. इधर ही रुकते हैं. ट्रक तो इधर से चली जाएगी. चल लेफ्ट से जगह मिलता है. स्लो चल. So we were riding in Zozila Pass, and we I think almost covered 20 or 30 kilometers, and Kiran was ahead of me and I was riding behind, and there were so many potholes, and there were आइस का ऐसा पूरा वॉल्स था एंड वी वर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी एकदम बर्फ का पूरा लादी का ऐसा ये लगा के रखा है
and we stopped there and because we saw that बहुत अच्छा आइस का ये था तो we wrote Sachin Kiran Lair 2000 so it was like you know romantic kind of thing yeah because we were seeing ice and snows for the first time so it was very nice seeing that then what I did I started Seffi I tried to start her वो वो होता है इंजन का आवाज होता है Seffi
सेल्फी नहीं हो रहा था
सेल्फी नहीं हो रहा था Seffi she did not start so I was like okay I let her cool down again after 2-3 minutes I tried starting her
then BP high हो गया
तो नहीं हो रहा है so I was like I started breathing so hard it was because of low oxygen level or
मतलब वो स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा तू मत बंद हो
I don't know it was my first pass और आपकी बाइक नहीं चालू हो रही है आपकी first pass में see to be very frank over on those terrains your bike will not perform as it is performing now in city
yes due to less oxygen
yes.
and if it is carbureted bike like Avenger and my Bullet then it will give little bit even
yeah.
my Bullet was giving little bit hu ha hu ऐसा कुछ चल रहा था
yes
गाड़ी बंद कर गाड़ी बंद कर हाँ रुक 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 थोड़ी देर साइड में रुक
So what happened? I didn't understood what's wrong because our bikes were facing those terrains or those low oxygen for the first time. Of course, जैसे हम लोग को Dimox खाना पड़ा, उन लोग को भी तो जरूरत पड़ेगी कोई गोली की, right? So she did not start. अभी मेरी बीपी बढ़ने लगी कि पहला पास है
300 शूट हो गया था बीपी
पहला पास है और बाइक चालू नहीं हो रही है क्या हो रहा है वाई I was like what and Sachin was so cool I was like कि यार तू क्या खा के मम्मी ने आई ने ऐसा क्या किया है कि तू इतना cool है he was very cool he was relaxed he was calm he was like कि एक काम कर drag your bike come to the side क्योंकि ना आगे बहुत सारी ships और वो सब के
बकरी भेड़ वगैरह बहुत सारा
the roads were fully covered by those people and we were having hard time to ride on those channels so what we did Sachin he dragged my bike and we took it in a corner it was like a cliff kind of thing but a good parking place so we there was one cliff kind of a place we took our bikes there and we stopped there and Sachin was very he was clicking photos he was and I was literally sitting down and I was thinking क्या हो रहा है बाइक क्यों नहीं चालू हो रही है? फर्स्ट पास है मेरा फर्स्ट राइड है, यही होना है, मेरे साथ ही होना है,
मेरे साथ ही होना है सर।
Exactly. After a moment, Sachin applied choke. What did you do?
I pulled the choke of Avenger and I gave one start, but it did not start it. Then I shaked Avenger, and then again I started the self start, and it started. Maybe the engine was overheated or something like that, or we are not sure what happened. But pulling the choke and doing that thing, giving the self starter. It helped. So I told her that do not put the choke inside again, and again we started our ride.
वो 10 मिनट में my BP was 300. I read all Sai Baba Chalisa, Hanuman Chalisa. I prayed all heaven.
याद कर लिया.
Yes, I did everything. Actually, never happened यार. कभी मतलब बाइक ही नहीं चालू हो रही है. ऐसा लग रहा था कि ट्रक में डालना पड़ा. क्या करना पड़ेगा? Sachin, I was actually my BP was too high. Sachin actually stopped me at that moment, and he gave me lecture for next 10 minutes, which did not stop.
Okay.
He actually explained me कि you are in this terrain. Such things tend to happen. There can be many unnecessary things which can go wrong in these terrains, right? A big rock can come rolling and it can dash you. बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती है. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा your bike would have been loaded to truck, gone to mechanic, preparation होता, you could have resumed a ride.
Yes,
you don't have to
waste हो जाता, कुछ problem नहीं होता. But do not lose your patience और tension लेके नहीं बैठने का है.
अभी क्या करूँ यार, अभी मैं ऐसे ही हूँ, मतलब I am my BP
actually मेरी भी अंदर से फटी हुई थी.
Sachin he was upset. He was actually upset, but he wasn't showing me because वो नहीं दिखा रहा था. He was not showing it to me because of course वो नहीं चाहता था कि हम दोनों भी पैनिक होकर हुए तो होगा क्या. So he was playing a cool part. Of course, my BP was almost. I panicked badly, मतलब first time था इसलिए शायद panic किया. आगे जाकर changes आए हैं वो आपको आगे की series में पता चलेगा. But again then I calmed down. I drank half water, पानी पी लिया, and then we resumed our ride. और तब जब तक जोजिला का बोर्ड नहीं दिखा,
yes, हम लोग रुके ही नहीं. फिर हम लोग I think 40-50 kilometers continuously हम लोग चलाते रहे, and then we ended our ride at another board of Zozila which says you have successfully completed Zozila ride or something like that. ऐसा कुछ लिखा नहीं है. But Zozila, it has been written over that board.
That you are at
so
this
we
altitude.
stopped there and we clicked some pictures and we hugged each other and
we cried. कितना रोए हैं ना, मतलब that terrain had made us so emotional कि यार वो 6 महीने की preparation, वो इतने सारे problems जो हुए हैं, इतना सारा बाइक का issues हुआ, but finally we are in mountains. So वो जो feeling थी ना, it will make you emotional. Even now when I wanted to talk, I'm feeling so emotional. I feel like crying, but it makes you emotional.
Yes,
so because
after that बहुत बोलती हैं. So after that, we started our ride from Zozila Pass, and before Kargil, we saw very beautiful valley. So we thought to take a break there and clicked very crazy pictures. She did yoga over there, and we had spent a lot of time there. हम लोग को वहाँ पे सोच रहे थे कि वहाँ यहाँ पे रुक जाते हैं हम लोग, सेटल हो जाते हैं.
के बाद you will get थोड़ा broken roads रहेगा till 30 kilometers, and then you will get a good tar road till Kargil.
Yes.
So जैसे tar road मिला, Safi and Turo, they were very happy to reach 100 kmph, and then हम लोग ने बहुत we rode like a boss on those roads.
And then we reached Kargil Memorial, जहाँ पे पूरा war का everything is kept there. and we went into their
Canteen.
to have some tea, or I think it was around 11 or 12 o'clock in the morning time only.
Yeah.
And we stopped there, and I asked Kiran, let's go out and click some pictures and see Kargil War Memorial and all. And she told, no, I'm feeling a little bit tired or a headache or
Unfortunately,
something like that.
if you are going first time in those mountains, right? तो आप लोगों को समझेगा नहीं जब आपकी oxygen level कम होगी या you are hit by altitude sickness and all those things, you will not understand that. AMS अगर होता है आपको, you will not understand that initially. I was feeling very tired. I was breathing very fast, and I had a bit of headache, dizziness, and all those kind of things. So I was sitting in a place. सचिन बोला कि चलो चलते कारगिल का पूरा मेमोरियल देखते हैं. It's a big achievement for our Indian soldiers. We salute you guys, literally. So मुझे देखना था वो, लेकिन बॉडी में उतनी ताकत ही नहीं थी कि I get up and I go and watch those places. So I was sitting in a place. सचिन बोला ठीक है मैं अंदर जाकर आता हूँ. I'll click few photos. मैं photos दिखा दूंगा तुझे, तू इधर बैठ.
I asked her to have some tea or coffee. She said no, I'll just
I want to sleep.
sleep. I'll just go down and I'll take a power nap.
सचिन was inside for 45 minutes. वो 45 minutes में मुझे 1 मिनट की भी नींद नहीं आई. I was trying to sleep कि थोड़ा नींद आ जाए. I was breathing so hard. My throat was full dry. कुछ ऐसे अजीब सी फीलिंग हो रही थी वो. And तब समझा कि yes, वहाँ पर जोजिला के पास के वहाँ पर we stopped.
इसको बोलते हैं AMS.
Yes, हम लोग बहुत देर रुक गए थे वहाँ पर
Right,
शायद.
right.
And that was the reason why in spite of having Dimox, eating breakfast, drinking lots of water, अगर आपकी body थोड़ी weak है तो वो हो जाएगा.
And then I told her that have some tea or coffee. Then there was no tea or coffee. They had Kashmiri tea called as kava. So I gave her kava, and even I had kava. It was very wonderful drink. So we had that, and she felt really good after that.
Yeah.
And then from there we started our ride. We wanted to reach Kargil village, where we can stay for the night. And then we started our ride. We had our lunch in Dras. We had chicken curry and rice and all.
It was not so good.
Yeah, it was not
Avoid
that
chicken in those places. So we had chicken curry and all those things. Chicken wasn't so good. It was not so good. Avoid having non-veg on those terrains, especially when you're riding longer kilometers and you're hit by AMS.
Right.
No, because सचिन का शायद पेट खराब हुआ था.
नहीं हुआ था. And then we reached Kargil, took one good hotel there, and we had a dinner on the rooftop, and we concluded our day in Kargil.
Mummy's here. Mummy's here. Mummy, say hi.
कर रही है।
Sachin, come. Let's take a group photo.